I think I'm recording. I think we're here on South Beach, and I'm having tons of trouble because we're at the tip of the Bermuda Triangle. All of my electronics is acting up on me here. Yesterday, this camera would not work at all. Now it's actually showing me it's recorded.
Don't listen to him.
It wouldn't work yesterday.
You just don't understand how batteries and heat work.
So all my batteries were drained. Batteries were freezing. I had to keep pulling them out. During the air show, pulling batteries out, putting them back in. So there's something going on here with the Bermuda Triangle having an effect on all my cameras. So it is something to be wary of out here. It's a real thing. All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Whoa, steer baby, steer. I got the need. I got the need for speed, yeah.
Hi, Christopher.
Hello, Melissa.
And then like way over there is like the party key. You can hear all the different music from all these different boats and people just partying it up, you know, on a Thursday, because that's what you do when you're in the Keys, I suppose.
Here, push me away a little bit from you. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Having trouble steering this thing.
Got a little too close to the tour guide there, Mel. Yeah, throttling it a little hard.
No screwing around this time. Whoa, dude! This has got some power.
Pushing through the scrub on a bike in the blistering sun, just another day. Waiting on the chopper for the word on the mustering on the old two-way. Ringers rushing round, getting cattle to the yards. A clean skin breaks them all. From the air they scatter like ants in the rain. Your mind can't leave the job. We're covered in dust, make our way on into but our oasis in the outback will wash away the dirt. We'll be dancing on the Darling above the yellow bellies below. Just good clean fun under the sun, waiting for our turn behind the boat. Racing down the river, feel that water under my skin. We'll be dancing on the Darling. Tree-lined river with the ghost dump swaying in the breeze this afternoon. Sunlight sparkles on the western stream, hear the sound of cockatoos. And we'll back the boat down to the ramp and take the esky for a spin. We'll be flying around the water with a stubby, I can tell you this is where the fun begins. And we're jumping in, strap 'em on and grab that rope. The motor's revving up, foot goes down and up we go. We'll be dancing on the Darling above the yellow bellies below. Just good clean fun under the sun, waiting for our turn behind the boat. Racing down the river, feel that water under my skin. We'll be dancing on the Darling. Tried on the knee, boy, barefoot around with a deep water start. Wakeboard biscuit, hear me when I say these rings of river rats at heart. Dancing on the Darling above the yellow bellies below. Just good, clean fun under the sun, waiting for a turn behind the boat. Racing down the river, feel that water under my skin. We'll be dancing on the Darling. Yeah, we'll be dancing on the Darling.
Dancing on the Darling. We are dancing on the Darling.
So, wave hi, Christopher. Say hi. There's Christopher. He's on his jet ski journey in the Keys. We're outside of Islamorada.
Are you holding on for dear life on that one?
No, it was like
That was the first time I've ever pulled the throttle all the way back, and on the smooth areas I could actually do that, but I had to do it to keep up with you guys. Normally I don't even come close to pulling the throttle all the way back.
When it's smooth like that, though, it makes it so much. It's so easy to ride. And
Yeah.